How you doing, brothers and sisters? My name is Sean Vanderjack. I am your organizer for District Lodge W 2021. We're going to get into what a unified shop looks like at contract negotiations. We're using our brothers and sisters over at W484 in Warren, Arkansas, Potlatch-Deltic. This is a right-to-work state. You don't have to be a member, but in a right-to-work state, having 90 some odd percent membership sends a strong message. The company deducts dues out of your check and sends it to the union. They know what percentage of your shop is a member and what percentage is not. This group right here, this is a perfect example of what solidarity can get a group. Let's get into it. 2023, Potlatch-Deltic and Warren, Arkansas. So we're going to go through the tentative agreement, everything that they had changed in their contract, and break it down. All right, here we go. A summary of tentative agreements, 2023 contract negotiations. The contract includes 3 separate wage increases for employees in 2023 alone. 3-year contract includes annual general wage increases along with 2 separate market wage increases for all employees in 2023. Combined, these wage increases provide labor grade employees with an 8.3% wage increase in 2023, and positions in the maintenance and green and filer job classifications receive 10% wage increases. There's a 15.4% wage increases for labor grade employees over the life of the contract, while positions in the maintenance and green and filer job classifications got a 17.1% wage increase over the life of the contract. The contract triples shift differential pay from 50 cents per hour to $1.50 an hour, and weekend differential pay doubles from $1.25 per hour to $2.50 per hour. The maintenance and operations lead positions are now labor grade 27 with a $32 an hour rate. Juneteenth been added as a new holiday starting in 2024, and holiday pay will be increased from 8 hours to 11 hours. The no-cost life insurance benefit for employees increased from $34,000 to $50,000. Additional insurance benefits are available to employees for elective purchase. 2 employees, sorry. Short-term disability benefits are available sooner for qualifying employees. Again, after third consecutive day of approved disability. For employee medical insurance, there's no changes to current contract language or increases to the employee cost share. Tentative agreements. Exhibit B, general wage increases. 4.6% general wage increase effective May 8th, 23. 3.5 effective May 8th, 24. 3% May 8th, 25. Exhibit B, the new market wage increases. 2% market wage increase for all employees with designated labor grades in the CBA, effective immediately upon ratification and before the 2023 general wage increase is applied. 3.5% market wage increase for all positions in the maintenance and green and filer job, effective immediately upon ratification before 2023 general wage is applied. 1.5% market wage increases for all bargaining unit employees effective the first pay period in December 23. Article 9, wage rates and shift differential. Shift differential of, we scratched out the old language there, $1.50 per hour shall be paid to any employee whose regularly scheduled shift starts between the hours of 12 noon and 4 a.m. An early call-in shall not trigger the shift differential for the day. Weekend differential. We scratched out $1.25. Now it's $2.50 per hour worked on the weekend. No change here. Here's a change. Employees who volunteer for fire watch duties pursuant to this section will be paid labor grade 7. Insurance. No changes to current contract language and no increase to employee cost share. Leads. Scratched out labor grade 26. Plant service lead persons' wages will be labor grade 26. Operations lead persons will be labor grade 27. Maintenance lead will be labor grade 27. Labor grade 27 hourly rate is $32 per hour. Employee life insurance was $34,000, now it's $50,000. Short-term disability. If any of you want to stop the video and read, pause it and read it. Disability insurance. Summary of this benefit will be added to the CBA and effective January 1st, 2024. No cost virtual physical therapy. Holidays. Juneteenth and the holidays. For non-alternate shift employees, the holiday falls on a Saturday, and the holiday will be recognized on the Friday before. Before it was May, which means they may do it and they may not. That is language we don't like. And the fact that they got that changed means that that's how it's going to be. Holiday pay will equal 11 hours. They scratched out 8 hours there and scratched out all this crap that was probably screwing people. 2023 and 2024, length of vacation and the amount of vacation pay will be determined by the employee's length of continuous service with the company as of December 1st of each year. So this is what they got. The red language is new. January 1, 25. Thereafter, the length of vacation and the amount of vacation pay will be determined by the employee's length of continuous service as of January 1st of each year. I don't know what changed there, but obviously there was an issue if they asked for it. Vacation scheduling. It was 30 days. You have to ask 30 days in advance to schedule vacation, or they won't get it. Now it's 14 days. So on Article 17, adjustment of grievances. I like this. At the union's request, the local union president or union designee +1 and the plant manager +1 will conduct a monthly meeting. The union will provide written agenda of discussion topics prior to the start of the monthly meeting. This is how we solve problems before they become a problem. This is a prime example of people having a voice on the workplace. Show up to the meeting. If there's things bothering you, things bothering your coworkers, creating undue stress. This is how you handle that, and you can handle it without fighting with them. Go in there and have a discussion. This helps the union and the company build a relationship, and really, it helps you get a better contract every year. All right, this is duration. This agreement shall remain in force and effect until May 8th, 2026. So, in 2026, these folks get to go back to the table and negotiate again. And good faith bargaining. You only move forward. Right. Negotiated wages. Compare it to you. Compare it to your shop. If these folks over here at this mill make more than defense contractors in Canada. If you're unified, you're going to get a good contract. The company knows how many people are paying dues and how many people are not. If your union, your shop's sitting on 50% membership, you will never get a good contract. You're a dog with no teeth. There's strength in numbers. There's strength in solidarity. One thing that we've learned from nature and even from our own history, ants, they colonize for strength. Bees colonize for strength, and we know that they're deadly when they're in numbers. Wolves hunt in packs for survival and more effective hunting. Prey animals live in herds because they have a better chance of survival. Humans, we started out as tribes. We built kingdoms, countries, nations, then built armies for survival and for power. As a worker, the company is organized, they're structured. We need to be organized too. If you go to the boss and you say, I need a raise, or I can't live, or I need better health insurance because I got my kid's sick, they're not going to change anything for you. You're one person. You're gone. You show up in force, in solidarity, as a damn union. They are not going to break you. You have strength. That's the concept. And it works. For 150 years, we've watched it. It works. Let's do it.